These are by far the best performing crypto passive income trading bots on the market moving into 2023. Watch this video to learn more. Welcome back everybody for the first brand new video in a brand new series all about crypto passive income bots. That's right, this series will be all about my personal favorite crypto trading bot projects, their performance, their results, so on and so forth. But this first video will just be as a introduction of sort to the series. And I haven't figured out any name yet for this series, so if you got any name suggestions, hey, drop them in the comment section down below, and if I happen to see some name that I really like, I will pick it and I will contact you and send you a small reward for this. So let me know if you have any name suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will pick the one that I think sounds the coolest. Okay, before we jump into the video, you already know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, check out my Telegram group, and check out my website. On my website you can find links to all of the projects that I'm invested in, as well as exclusive merch and a lot of other important links. Okay, I don't want to waste any more time, so let's jump right into the video. We already know that crypto and the stock market has been absolutely horrible this year, as well as pretty much the whole entire world economy. So yeah, you need something that generates you a daily passive income. And oh, what a coincidence, that's exactly what these three projects are doing. So let's have a look at them. So the first project that I want to talk about is Optimus, or OPT2. This is a rebase token with bot integration. It has 0% buy and sell tax, and it rebases at 1% daily. So the project uses two different trading bots. One is a pricing bot that buys back tokens from the market to stop the OPT2 price from falling. And it also sells off tokens if the price gets a big sudden increase. This is so that the price is kept in a stable range and to maintain a solid price floor. And the second bot is basically a trading bot that injects the profits into the liquidity contract so that the project has a deep liquidity pool, thus making the project more sustainable. Let's get this crypto. So one of the founders of OPT2 is a YouTuber that goes by the name Defi Dude. He can explain this project a lot better than I can do and how these bots work, so I will link his channel in the description down below, so you can head over there if you want to learn some more. So as you can see from the price chart, this project is a goddamn beast. Hands down one of the best performing projects in DeFi, like overall. There isn't really any other token that has performed this well during the bear market. You know, it's pretty crazy to think that my initial investment into this project was only about 80 USDC, which I had in my wallet at the time. I invested that, and then after like an hour or 2 hours the price had doubled, so I sold off my initial, and now that remaining $80 is worth almost 1,000 USD, which is absolutely insane. You won't see these kinds of return in the stock market for sure. So yeah, I have way beyond 10x my investment, which I'm very happy about. And yeah, like many of you probably already know, OPT2 Optimus is launching tomorrow on a major centralized exchange by the name of MEXC. This will bring millions of new eyes onto this project. You know, the majority of crypto doesn't even know what like MetaMask is and stuff. So yeah, we will most likely see thousands of new investors get in overnight, meaning there will be a huge arbitrage opportunity. So if you have not signed up for MEXC yet, I have a link for it in the description and in the comment section down below. If you use my link, you will get 10% off all trading fees, which is huge if you're doing arbitrage. This means that you will get a much better return than many of these other people doing arbitrage. You will also be credited 25 USDT to your trading account completely free, and you will also be given a chance to claim up to a $1,000 USDT bonus check. Let's get this crypto. So I have probably sold about 200 USD worth of OPT2 tokens thus far, and also about once a week I convert some OPT2 tokens to Matic, which I then stake in StableFund. So I started doing this recently, so I don't have a lot in my Matic account on StableFund, about 50 Matic. And yeah, if you don't know, StableFund is a crypto passive income trading bot. Basically what you do is you come over to StableFund, you stake your tokens, they accept Matic, BUSD and BNB. StableFund then uses part of the funds in the contract balance to trade, and that way you earn a 1.5% daily return. Let's get this crypto. Yeah, so this project has been around for like 5 or 6 months now. It's been performing absolutely fantastic. Right now I don't have a lot in it. I actually withdrew about 1000 BUSD. Like I withdrew 500 2 weeks ago and an additional 500 about 2 weeks before that. So let's see. I got about 528 BUSD locked up in here at the moment. And yeah, I forgot to mention, you can unstake your deposit after 28 days. So let's say you invest 1000 BUSD, you will start earning 1.5% daily on this 1000 BUSD. And after 28 days, you can unstake your initial capital. And who doesn't like that? So yeah, right now I'm just trying to hyper compound my way up to 1000 Matic and 1000 BUSD deposited into StableFund. And after that I will start to withdraw every other day and reinvest every other day. Let's get this crypto. The last project that I want to talk about is NG Trading Bot. So this works similar to StableFund, but it instead uses BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, Tron or Dash, and it's 100% hosted on Telegram. So that is very cool. That's why I like it a lot, because I can bring this pretty much everywhere I go. You know, I usually don't use MetaMask on my phone, so this way I got a trading bot in my pocket. Wow, very cool. So as you can see, everything that you need to know can be found right here on Telegram. So if we have a look at my history, you can see all the rewards and earnings that I have made. Very cool. And if we have a look back at the balance, you can see I have been rewarded 0.0027 BTC. I think this is about 60 bucks or something. I got like 50 bucks of ETH and 50 bucks of LTC in my account balance as well. How this works is I'm not earning anything on this as it's only in my account balance, but if I wanted to I could withdraw these. But what I have decided to do instead is I'm gonna deposit about 100 bucks worth of each token. That way I'm earning on every single one of them, earning me about 25% a month. Also that way the earnings that I make, they get deposited into my account. So when I got 100 bucks worth of LTC, ETH and BTC, I can reinvest this, i.e. compounding, making me more gains. Let's get this crypto. Yeah, so in my opinion this is a very cool project. I really haven't seen anything like this before, but yeah, I might have aped in a little bit too soon. Who knows, time will tell. Like, I trust the guys behind this project. I know one of the people that knows the founders, like personally, but this is crypto, so whatever can happen. And also for this project you will need to do a KYC, so you can hit me up in my Telegram group and I will help you with that. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I wanted to go over in this video. This was more of a introduction video to the series. I'm looking to add another project, so I might have added that in the next episode. I will also set up some kind of a Excel spreadsheet so I can track all of these projects and track all the results. I will try to get that done this week, and I will most likely upload it to my website as well so that you can download it from there. So yeah, check out my website. All of the projects that I'm in is listed on my website. You can find all of them there. On my website you will also find all of the links to my Telegram group, YouTube channel, merch, all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please leave a like on this video. Leave me a comment if you got any name suggestions for this series. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Only about 20% of you guys are subscribed. And join my Telegram group, 260 members, and it's popping off in there. You already know, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.